Classic food is still thriving in these U.S. cities. Some restaurants have been serving guests since before the Civil War. These are not chains. These are not renovations. These are the real thing. Original establishments that have kept their doors open for over a century. Here are 9 U.S. cities where history is still on the menu. Starting in Bardstown, Kentucky, a small town with one of the oldest dining rooms in America. The Talbot Tavern opened in 1779, making it over 245 years old. It served travelers on the frontier long before Kentucky was even a state, and it still welcomes guests today. Boston, Massachusetts is home to the oldest continuously operating restaurant in the entire country. Union Oyster House has been serving guests since 1826. Located in the heart of one of America's most historic downtowns, it has outlasted wars, recessions, and centuries of change. New York City, New York gave rise to Delmonico's in 1837, one of the most legendary dining establishments in American history. It helped define what fine dining in the United States could look like, and it continues operating to this day. New Orleans, Louisiana carries not one but 2 historic landmarks. Antoine's opened in 1840, making it one of the oldest family-run restaurants in the country. Then came Commander's Palace in 1893, adding another iconic name to the city's celebrated culinary identity. San Francisco, California's Taddock Grill dates back to 1849, the same year as the gold rush. It has operated through earthquakes, fires, and economic booms, surviving as a fixture of the city's waterfront dining scene for over 175 years. Washington, D.C. is home to Old Ebbitt Grill, which first opened in 1856. Located near the White House, it has hosted politicians, journalists, and locals across generations and remains one of the city's most enduring dining institutions. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania's McGillin's Old Ale House opened in 1860, making it the oldest continuously operating tavern in the city. It has survived Prohibition and more than 160 years of American history in the heart of downtown Philadelphia. Ellensburg, Washington may be a smaller city, but the Palace Cafe has been serving the community since 1892. It stands as one of the Pacific Northwest's longest-running dining establishments, with over 130 years of continuous operation. Tampa, Florida rounds out the list with the Columbia Restaurant, which opened in 1905. It is Florida's oldest restaurant, and today it remains a beloved landmark in the historic Ybor City neighborhood. These 9 cities share something in common: dense, walkable historic downtowns that gave these restaurants the foot traffic, the community, and the staying power to last for generations.